Send a ladder.
Okay.
Okay, we're finally off to the scrapyard. It's Saturday morning, about 9 o'clock. Pretty nice load in today, so I'm hoping for, $35, $40. I said we're just going for light metal today, and hopefully it's still 5.5 cents a pound. So I'll let you know when we're done. Okay, we're pulling into the scrapyard. Let's go into the scale. Get registered. This light's scrap today. So we just cashed out and we got $35. It's now at 6 cents a pound as opposed to 5.5 cents a pound. So that's good. So not bad for one truckload. We got even more metal. We found a metal shelf. So we're just coming home from the scrapyard, which is always nice. Check out the Joann fabric dumpster real quick. Let's see what this looks like. Trash. Okay. You know what, Eric?
Yeah.
Go get me those magazines.
The what?
See the Country Living magazines?
Yeah.
You're getting us alive. Give me the whole stack of whatever it is. Is that it? Okay, just put them there. Hold yourself open. That's good. Give me those. Hold yourself open and off. Okay, can you get up? Okay. Now let's go into Joann's because we got to get something. All the books we just picked up out of Joann's dumpster is now on eBay. Most of them do sell anywhere from $3.99 all the way up to $12.99, and they're all brand new. So good deal, good dumpster pick. We have prepackaged up all of our Littlest Pet Shop necklaces in our free supplies we get off of eBay. So we got quite a few of them to go on. And we have a whole stock of them. They're handmade beaded necklaces my wife and daughter make for eBay as well as Amazon. A nice little sale to start Sunday off. We picked these up at an apartment complex last week. They got some wear to them, but we put them on Marketplace. 4 chairs, $20. They sold probably in about 20 minutes. So good deal. Like I said, if you didn't have any chairs and then you drop $20 bill and you got 4 chairs, so very well pleased. Okay, we're back at the scrapyard. Let's get the stuff unloaded. Got to get the glass off of that. What's that?
What are these?
Oh, this ballast. Oh. Am I hung up? Oh, no. There. What was that? You're just gonna let the dryer sail off the end. Here, let's get closer to the tail, because I don't want it to flip onto the tailgate and break the tailgate off. Wait. Wait, watch my fingers. No, we want to go back on. We got it. No, don't touch that side. You want to do this side. There you go. That's good. A scrapyard run. It was actually turned out better than I thought. We got 500 pounds for $30. So not bad. And that was just from last night. So $30 in one night. Plus we picked up a couple marketplace items to sell for either like $5 or $10. So it wasn't a bad night for Sunday night. And we were out for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. So not a bad start to the week. We're out on a Tuesday night and we're 2 blocks from home and we got some metal. See if you leave that stuff there. Just put it on top of the trash can or something. I'll be right there. It was a 10 by 10, one of those little awning things. So, not bad, 2 blocks from the house. A couple weed whackers, some metal studs. Basketball hoop. Eric's doing his job tonight. We'll get a bonus. Good job. Be careful, Eric. More stuff. And an umbrella. Here, we'll just pull off to the side. Leave some room. Let's go get it.
Are we gonna do the town with you?
I'm thinking we might have to, so bring it with us. So, what's that?
What?
Little file cabinet. It's metal.
Wait, should we like just keep shifting it or?
Oh, yeah, try it like that. Just be careful this door doesn't come open, okay?
Yeah. What kind of thing is this?
It's a file cabinet. Then we'll get it up on the gate. Walk your end around.
My things are kind of.
Here's what I want to see if we could do. Stand it up and see if we can flip it right onto the
Stand it.
No. Stand it long ways. You know what, for right now that's good enough. There you go. We got a nice little curb thing. Bring your cutters to our, I see some cords. You know what, Eric? Let's take this over to the other side. And we'll put that, the back tire is locked up, so. There's one of those metal radiator things in there and everything, so. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on, Eric. Stay there. Go for that radiator thing, Eric, because that's they're pretty heavy.
Can't reach to carry it.
Can you?
Yeah.
I'll get the cord. Hold on, want to go right? Okay. I'm gonna get this cord. Eric, oh, the cutter's over here. Get that cord, just cut it in two places to make it easier to get yourself off. Now cut it again somewhere. Computers, I'm gonna try. It's mostly got a metal housing, so. That's a little better. And that baby walker's got too much plastic on it. That's got a plastic case. This trash really smells bad. Really bad. And it's pretty dirty too. I don't want to do that. There we go. Well, I think I like that. That's good. This wasn't bad. We found this one just leaving the neighborhood, so good deal. Let's get to get. We got one more neighborhood to do. This was the end result of Tuesday night. We filled the truck. We didn't get a chance to go to the scrapyard today, but the truck's pretty filled. We got some good weight items too. What we'll do first thing tomorrow morning on Thursday, we'll make a run to the yard.